Hi, Sudie. This is Rachel. I am wanting to put together a video for you to help you understand how PICS theory kind of works when working with area and the geoboard. So the first key thing is this is actually in the lesson, lesson 129. There is a comments over here on the side that's going to help kind of clarify what these topics are. So area from whole, area from half of 1 unit, and area from half of 2 units. So basically a unit is, I have a geoboard here. A unit is like one of these, like a square, right? So anything that would be within those, let me just use this one. This would be, and my rubber band's too big. This would be a unit, okay? So that would be considered 1 unit. So what this is saying is what it's asking for is for the area from half of 1 unit, that would be one of these units having a half. So again, that rubber band's too big, but it would look something like that. That would be called half of 1 unit. However, area from half of 2 units would look something like this. This is where we would have 2 units involved. Oops, my camera went off. There we go. 2 units involved where the rubber band is splitting 2 of these units in half. So we have a half of a unit here and a half of a unit there, although this is really kind of more of a fourth, but that's kind of what this is referring to. So let's take this information then and use it to take a look at the worksheet. Now I actually put this on an actual geoboard. This was what we were just talking about. So for this particular equation or problem, this would be marked as 1 in the area of, what is it called? Area from half of 2 units. So this rubber band is breaking 2 units or 2 different units in half. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This is the second problem. First of all, we can say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 full units. None of these units are broken. So on the chart, you would put 4 in the column that says area from whole units. But take a look at this. This we have 2 units split in half by the rubber band. So we would put 1 in the column that says area from half of 2 units because 2 units is broken in half. Let's take a look at this next one. Let me scoot my camera down here just a little bit. Okay, so here we see that we do not have any full units, all right? But we have 2 units that are broken up in half and another 2 units that are broken up in half. So on this one, or problem number 3, we would list it as 2 because there's 1, 2. 2 units that are broken in half, 2 units that are broken in half. Now this one's going to have a combination of things. This one has a full unit, so we have 1. So we put this a 1 in the area column, the column that says area from whole unit. Then we have this. We have 2 units that's broken in half. And then we have in this one a case that we haven't even seen yet, and this would be where 1 unit is broken in half. So on our chart, we would say, list this as 1 under area from whole unit. We would list this as a 1/2 because we have a 1/2 here so we would list 1/2 in the column that says area from half of 1 unit. And we would list this as 1 in the column that says area from half of 2 units. Now, why is all of this important? Because when we are calculating area, we want to see how big our space is inside, right? So if like I had this, I know clearly that's 4, right? We see 1, 2, 3, 4. The area inside is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, etc., right? But when we get into unique shapes, what was this shape again? I lost the shape. I think it was something like this. Oh, there we go. There we go. When we have something like this, we can see that we have 1 here. But what you might be able to picture in your mind is taking this little slice here, flipping it around and putting it on top, making this kind of more like that. Okay, so we're kind of, instead of using this, we're taking that little sliver, plopping it on top, and making it like that. But then we still have, and I'm having a hard time showing this, but then we still have this half of a unit. So we really are saying that those two halves make one whole, and then this is only going to be left with one half. I don't know if that's making any sense for you or not, but hopefully that did help a little bit. If you have any other questions though, City, just please let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.